The beach clean was an opportunity for us to be stewards of the environment, giving back to the local community, and also making sure that we're taking care of the environments that we study in.
We were tasked with cleaning up as much trash as possible around our community and around the OIMB. We collected trash from every habitat you can think of.
Sandy beaches, estuarine environments,
Kelp beds and seagrass beds and tide pools.
We were also out on the docks pulling trash out of the water as well. I was honestly shocked to see how much trash was within a half-mile radius of OIMB.
You name it, we found it on the beach.
We found plastic bags,
Soda cans,
caps,
Lots of metal,
wires,
cigarette butts,
fishing poles,
crab traps,
bottles,
chip bags,
farming equipment,
more styrofoam than I've ever seen, plastic.
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 Seeing the results in the community has been pretty incredible. All of the places that we visit at the beach are cleaner, and I know it's because of our efforts.
It really seems like it made the difference in the local area.
It felt really good to conserve local habitats. It felt like I had a bigger part out here, more than just a student, that I was actually doing something for the greater good.
It gave me a chance to get outside and get involved in a really good local cause.
This class kind of gave me a new perspective with just how much trash there was around. In the future, I will be cleaning up a lot more, and I actually think I might encourage my friends to come along with me. Marine pollution is a problem that continues to face us more and more every single day.
I've seen trash all over for the past 9 months.
It's everywhere. There's no shortage of it. Eventually, it will always lead back to the ocean. Everyone needs to be involved in these types of activities.
People could make a lot of impact by just going down to the beach and picking up any trash that they see.
I do think that more people need to be involved.
From this experience, I definitely think I'll want to collect trash more.
A couple of people cleaning up isn't going to make a giant dent, but it is a start. It's something that doesn't take a ton of time out of your day.
I think you started something that should definitely continue.
Gross, man. Pick up your damn trash.